towards here at Bit Trading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. We're going to go through the trades that we are currently in and the targets we have for those trades. So if that sounds interesting, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure that you watch this video up until the end, because I will give you some valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So in the last video that I did for you guys, I did actually tell you that I was short, and I was remaining short and chill because I was in a short position. Now, we entered into that short position because from the high that we made on the 5th of December, we actually came and took this high out, forming a failed auction on the 8th of December, as you can see right here. And as we formed this failed auction, we were also forming bearish open interest and bearish CVD. So this was enough for me to actually enter into a short position, and as you can see, that short position was very, very profitable. And of course, I gave this trade to my team on the Visionary Discord, and as you can see here, we made over 586% on this short position. It was a very, very profitable short position, and yeah, as you can see, we made some really, really nice profits on that trade. And since then, we have just seen some range bound price action, as you can see right here. But right now, I am currently bullish and long on the price of Bitcoin. So I just want you guys to understand, for those that, don't watch this channel religiously, I am a trader. I class myself as a day trader, and my bias does change from day to day. So, one day I can be very, very bearish on the price of Bitcoin, and then the next day I can be also very bullish on the price of Bitcoin. So we were seeing very bearish indications back here when we formed the failed auction with bearish open interest and bearish CVD. So what did I do? I took action on that by shorting that, okay, taking profit on the way down. We took the majority of the profits actually down here on that trade as well. But I have now established that price is actually looking bullish now, okay? As price was coming down into this key level that we can see right here, I was actually seeing price looking very bullish. So for me, this was actually a signal to enter into a long position. Now, why did I enter into a long position? That's why we're going to talk about. That's what we're going to talk about right now. Why did I enter into a long position at this level right here? Well, if we actually pull the GP and the 786 from the 11th of December, okay, from the low right here to the 13th of December up here, where we form this high right here, okay, we actually see that the GP and the 786 comes in at around these levels right here. And as price was coming into this GP and 0.786 level, we can actually observe on the CVD and the open interest that price was actually looking bullish coming into this level right here. So we can see CVD was looking bullish coming into this level. We can also see open interest was also looking bullish coming into this key level as well. So this was enough for me to actually enter into that long position. And of course, I gave my Visionary members, okay, that signal that I was entering into the long position. If we come over here to the BTC trades, as you can see, I gave that long setup right here. I said long setup for me. We had the entry price, the stop loss, and we had the target that I had as well. And I told my team bullish open interest and CVD at the GP and 0.786. So that was the setup I gave my team. And as you can see, we took a very nice TP1 at 9 p.m. approximately at over 150% in a profit. As you can see, entry price here at around $41,000. So this was an amazing trade for us. Took a TP1 at over 150%. Very, very profitable. And the reason we did take a TP1 at this level right here was because we were coming into some major resistance. As you can see right here, we have this diagonal downwards trending resistance level right here. So it's always good to be taking profit at resistance. As you can see, we moved the stop loss to entry as well, making that a completely risk-free trade. But as you can see, as price went on, we did break out and we did see higher prices. And the next target I actually had was from this high up here, and we did front run that level ever so slightly. And I told my team, you know, we front run the level, and that's actually why we took a TP2 at over 233%. As you can see, a very, very profitable trade. that we have taken here. Okay, made some really, really nice profits on this trade, but I did take a TP2 at 233%. Reason being is because we front run the level ever so slightly, and sometimes we do front run levels, okay, and we don't actually revisit them, but it's always just safe to be taking profits. Remember, when you take profits, okay, that is when and only when you realize your profits, okay? So it's always good to take some profits off of the table. Now, where do I expect the price to go from here? Okay, well, before we get into that, make sure that you click the link in the description, okay, the first link in the description or the pinned comment, and it will give you access to this Visionary Discord here where I give all of my trades away. If you want access to all of my trades, then make sure you click that link, the first link in the description, and you can gain access to that Visionary Discord, okay? But where do I expect the price to go from here? Well, right now, I am just remaining long and chill on the price of Bitcoin. Now, I would like to see, okay, the highs that we saw from back here being taken out, okay? So I would actually like to see, let's mark it on the charts, I would actually like to see the price of Bitcoin come potentially all the way back up to around $44,769, as you can see right here, this level, and I would like to see this level being taken out. Now, if we do see this level being taken out and price is looking bullish, okay, then we can continue to long this, we can continue to hold this long that we have open, okay, and we can target higher prices, okay, we can target $48,000, possibly even $50,000 if we are looking bullish at this level right here. However, if we are in fact looking bearish at this level, okay, because remember, coming into a level we can also look bearish. So if we come into this level and we actually look bearish, then what can we do? Well, we can actually fire in another short position, okay? We could be looking for another short position if we're looking bearish at this level. Of course, you know, I want to see some sort of sweep of liquidity, failed auction with, you know, bearish open interest, bearish CVD, you know, that these are the things that I want to be seeing at these levels, you know, bearish open interest, bearish CVD, coming into, you know, maybe a GP in 786 level, okay, we have all of our confirmation factors that we want to see, you know, aligning at these levels. And if we see all of those confirmation factors aligning here, then what can we do? Well, we can enter into another short like we entered here, okay, because here we saw all the confirmation, the confluence factors, the bearish reaction, we saw all of that there, giving us that short setup, okay, and we saw the exact same scenario right here. At this level here, we saw all the bullish confirmation, bullish confluence, and the bullish reaction that we wanted to see to enter into a long position. And as you can see, that was a very profitable long position. Remember, taking over 233% in a profit. So that was a very profitable trade for us. So if we're looking bearish coming into this level, of course, okay, I am actually looking to enter into a short position. But if we're looking bullish coming into this level, I would like to see higher prices, and I would be targeting higher prices, and I will be riding this long position much higher. Okay, so that is my plan right now, just remaining long and chill. If we do get another move towards the downside, okay, there could possibly be another longing opportunity from these lows right down here, okay, because there's going to be a lot of liquidity sat at these lows. And again, okay, if we enter into another long position down at these lows here, I would still be targeting these highs up here. I would like to see these highs being taken out before we get another big move towards the downside, if we do get a big move towards the downside. Of course, if we look bullish coming into these levels, of course, we can see another big rise towards the upside. But yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. That is my plan, just remaining long and chill as of right now. Those are the next levels that I'm interested in taking a long from. Remember, if you want access to this Visionary Discord where I give all of my trades away, as you can see right here, then make sure that you click the first link in the description or the pinned comment, and you can gain access to this Visionary Discord. It is very valuable, so make sure you take full advantage of that. But once again, thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. So see you later, guys. Goodbye.